50 begins right here. It says 50 begins. So make sure you follow these road signs, because sometimes the police officers, they'll just park their car ahead, hide behind a tree, and then point the radar at you. And if you're doing 60, even if you're doing 55, they'll actually pull you over. So be careful. You don't want to get caught, because when you get caught speeding, anything over the posted limit means that you're speeding.
In 400 meters, turn left onto 7th Avenue.
And then, of course, your insurance rates will go up. So it's expensive when you get caught. So don't get caught. Follow the rules.
At the light, turn left onto 7th Avenue. Then you will arrive at your destination.
Signal check. And move over to the left. Okay, this will definitely end this video. Thank you very much for watching. Bye for now.